Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this new lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can install an SSL certificate on your website for free. This tutorial is pretty much applicable to all kind of websites, whether CMS based or HTML based websites or anyone, alright? So SSL certificate is the website which offers free SSL certificate. If you have a domain name which is like this, which has no HTTPS protocol, as you can see, if I click over here, your connection to this site is not secure, which means this website has no HTTPS protocol or an SSL certificate installed on it. So if you want to get rid of this error message or whatever you call it, non-secure message, you need to install an SSL certificate. So I'm going to do that. Let me copy it, just paste it over here and hit create free SSL certificate. On this new screen I have these three options using which I can easily verify that I own the domain name topbootcamps.com, so that they can give me the files that I need to upload on my server. For this purpose I usually use manual verification, so let's click on it. So there are two options, there are two ways you can do the manual verification. The one which I follow, I upload the files they provide me, folder of the domain on my server. So let's manually verify a domain. As you can see, it's loading. Alright, they have given me these two files. Download the following verification files by clicking on each link below. So let's do that. Let's do that with the second one as well. The next step is to create a folder in your domain name named .well known. Okay. And inside that inside .well hash known folder, you need to create another subfolder, acme hash challenge, and inside acme hash challenge you need to upload the files we have already downloaded. So let's do that now. I'm using GoDaddy, so I'll be going to the file manager of GoDaddy for my domain name and upload both the files inside the folders logged into my cPanel. So this is the root folder, this is the root of my domain, as you can see over here, public html topbootcamps.com. okay, this is where I need to create those two folders they suggested here. Okay, .well known, and inside .well known I need to create another folder, acme challenge, acme hash challenge. I'm sorry I've been calling it hash for the whole video. Actually it's called hyphen, acme hyphen challenge. Okay, so inside this folder you need to upload those two files which we downloaded from here, these two files. So let's upload them. Let's do it one by one. Here are the files. Take the other one. Alright, so both the files are uploaded. Let me go back to the folder. Alright, as you can see, these two files are uploaded. Now the next step is to verify if they are if if the upload was successful. So you can click here. Alright, as you can see, it is showing that. Alright, so both the files are uploaded successfully. This is how you ensure that the files are uploaded. Just visit those links on here and see if the string over here like this is displayed on your domain name under .well -known /acme -challenge /string. This essentially means that those two files are successfully uploaded. Now you can hit download SSL certificate. Just remember, those two files need to be uploaded correctly. Only then you will be able to download the SSL certificate for your domain. Alright, so the SSL certificate is being generated. Let me go back to the file manager where I need to add the value I get for SSL certificate. So these are the three values I get: certificate, private key, and CEA bundle. You need these three values. Okay, so if you are using cPanel, you need to go to SSL/TLS. Go all the way down, click on manage SSL site. I have quite a few websites, so what you will see is this option. If you are installing SSL certificate for the first time, just pick your domain name, paste the certificate, the first option, in corresponding boxes here. Private key. The next is CA bundle. Which is over here. Now hit install certificate. Alright, so it's done. Let's click on it and see. Alright, see now. My website is my domain name is accessible through HTTPS and it's saying secure. So this is pretty much it. I'm sure you will be able to follow this along easily. Let me know in comment section if you face any problems in installing the SSL certificate. I'll be there to help.